The Hapara Student Dashboard is a one-stop shop for all of your students' digital assignments from Hapara Workspace, Google Classroom, and Google Drive. When students first log in, they'll see all of their workspaces from all of their classes. Clicking on the workspace tile will take them directly to that workspace board. If students want to see just the workspaces from one class, they can click up here and select that class. The student dashboard also has a to-do list of all of students' upcoming assignments. These assignments are pulled from Google Classroom in Hapara Workspace evidence cards. The assignments are organized by due date, with work that is due soon listed at the top. If there is any overdue work, that will be listed at the very top, and this little section to the right will be red, so students are alerted to that overdue assignment. To access any of these assignments, students just have to click on the card. Clicking on a workspace assignment will take them directly to that section of the workspace board, and clicking on a Google assignment will open the assignment in a new tab. Students can tell where the assignment is coming from based on the icon at the bottom of the assignment card. Students can filter their view of this page to see just their overdue work, work with due dates, or work with no due dates. Just like the Workspaces tab, they can filter this view to see assignments from just one class. The third tab of the student dashboard is My Files. Here, students can see the files from their Google Drive. They can view files that have been shared with them from teachers or peers, or they can view a list of their recent files. Clicking on any of these file names will open the file in a new tab. The last section of the student dashboard is notifications. Students can view their notifications by clicking on the bell in the top right. These notifications include letting students know when they have graded work, when work has been returned to them, or when there are announcements from Google Classroom. Students can narrow their view of the notifications to see just one type. So if they just want to see recent emails from their teacher, they'll click emails. If they just want to see recently graded work, they can click graded work. If students want to customize their dashboard, they can click on their avatar and they'll have the option to change the background color. Hapara Student Dashboard gives students an easy way to manage all of their digital work without having to go to a bunch of different apps.